yeah, I mean, I went from 15,000 to 105 in like year and a half. So it's always about just seeing what's happening around you and then breaking the norm. I just say there are like three main things, right? There's content that you put out, there's connection requests that you send, and then the third is the relationship building. So all of these three paired together help you go from point A to point B. Reaching out to somebody from ground zero, point blank, is very scary, right? Because here I'm trying to say that I think you need this, whereas I don't know if they need it or not till they reply, right? Or if we have that conversation. So, I mean, when you're comfortable, things just happen and you take it for granted, right? Like, so think of your content as a source to get conversations rolling and to build those relationships, or at least put out your way of thinking, right? If you want to connect to this person so that you can talk to them about something about your business, just be direct. Don't be like, hey, I want to connect with you, let's network.